Hey, it's Sarah with Tenderfoot Village. In this little mini tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make the little cone hat. I'm going to be using a Sharpie marker, but I would normally be using a light colored chalk marker. I just wanted you to be able to see the lines a little bit better. Also, I'm using the medium size hat pattern. If you choose to use the large size of the brim, then you'll need 2 pieces of felt instead of 1. To begin, I'm going to trace both pieces of the hat pattern. I'm going to cut them both out. The one part that I'm not going to cut out is the inner part of that circle. I'm going to leave that. My next step is to hot glue my pie shape. I'm going down one side and I'm going to fold over, and starting at the bottom, I'm going to smash it together, working my way up. While that's drying, I'm going to work on the inner circle. So I'm going to fold the circle in half and then cut a slit in the very middle, a line straight down, and then I'm going to cut pie shapes. So basically I'm cutting in the middle of each of the triangles that are left, and then I'm going to open it up and cut a slit down the middle of the 2 final triangles. Now that my hot glue is dry, I am going to flip my cone piece right side out. And I noticed that there is a little spot where you can see the hot glue, so I'm going to take my heat gun, you can also use a hairdryer, and I'm going to just kind of heat that glue up until it disappears. Now the way I like to do this next step is I like to find the seam, and then I like to match up 2 of the triangular pieces with the seam, and I apply hot glue to 2 of them, and then I fit those on either side of the seam and smash it together. Once I have my first 2 pieces glued in place, I like to go to the exact opposite side of the hat and glue down the next 2 pieces, and then I'll continue doing that all the way around the hat. Once I've finished gluing all the pieces down, I am pretty much done, and am ready to add like any embellishments. If I want it to be a scarecrow hat or a witch hat, I'm free to get creative.